Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. I am back in Nonna's basement kitchen today for a very special treat. Nonna, say hello everybody.
Hello everybody, I'm Nonna Romana.
And what are we going to make today?
They gotta make pasta mandorle.
Pasta mandorle, but for Christmas time.
Yeah.
We got to make red and green.
Yeah, very nice.
You like a pasta mandorle?
Oh yeah, sure, I love her. Yeah.
And it's very easy to make pasta mandorle, right?
Oh yeah.
So this is a typical Pugliese almond paste cookie. A lot of regions of Italy use almond paste, but in Puglia, they are all about the almond paste. They take it very seriously. But I love making cookies like this because it's really easy to dress up the dough, the ground almonds and sugar, with different flavors, different colors. And I started making these with Nonna a few years ago. We got a little crazy and we added some green and red food coloring. And they were just so pretty and they looked so nice in the cookie tray. So I thought we should share them with all of you. So we're going to start with some blanched almonds. These are almonds with the skin removed. Now I bought them like this. Some places sell them like this. You don't have to use the whole ones. You can use slivered almonds as long as there's no skin. Nonna, how you do this usually?
Yeah, before you gotta put in that water, after they take the skin, now you find like that. Very good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So very easy.
Very easy. No, not supposed to do a lot of work.
So before, in Nonna's day, or, a few months ago, before we started really using these, still I will come down here and she will be boiling the almonds, because to get the skin off, you boil the almonds and you have to, while they're still hot, you have to squeeze the skin off each and every one. And she would do this for all the holidays, for all the parties when she would do the cookie trays. You crazy.
Well, now they find like that. Before, no, they don't do.
Okay, so we're just going to start with the blanched almonds. Then we have some egg white. We have some lemon zest. We have some granulated sugar, and we have more granulated sugar for rolling. We have red and green food coloring, and we have red and green candied cherries. And that's it, guys. Oh, and we got vanillina, my favorite. Gotta put it in everything. I'm obsessed with vanillina, guys. Sorry, not sorry. So we're gonna start by processing our almonds. And again, for the full list of ingredients and the step-by-step recipe, just head to cookingwithnonna.com. This magic, Nonna.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, very good.
Very good, huh? So I'm going to let this go for almost a minute. You don't want the almonds too fine like almond flour. Can't use almond flour for this. That's way too fine. You want it to still have a little bit of bite. So I'm just going to pulse until I have what I want, and I'll show you how it's supposed to look.
That amount that they're not supposed to do too thin, you know?
Too fine.
Too fine, yeah.
Yeah. Let me see. How do you think? A little bit more, right?
See?
Not done it.
Almost good.
Almost good. I'm going to do another 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay. We got it.
Yeah.
We got it?
Sure.
Okay. So now we're just going to add this to a bowl. I'm going to get all stuff that got stuck on the bottom. So the reason you don't want this too fine is because you want to be able to taste the almond. La mandorla si deve sentire sotto i denti.
Yeah, sure.
You don't want it to be too smooth.
Yeah, you can make too fine.
A little texture. A little texture is good. Okay. Okay. Now what do we got? Put
Now you gotta put sugar.
Okay. The sugar and our vanillina. You use vanilla extract if you don't find this. Met.
No, this one.
Lemon zest.
Lemon.
And some egg white.
Egg white.
And I like to get in here and mix with my hands because I'm crazy. It's really the only way you could do this. I know it sounds nuts, but I find it really hard to just get in there if I don't use my hands. And it's going to kind of become wet sand. There we go. How do you think?
Yeah, almost. Yeah.
Let me move this for you. Excuse me. Put this right over here.
Facciamo, maybe they go down.
No, it's not going to go down. Don't.
Okay. Now you gotta divide.
Okay, so I made this bowl of our almond paste dough. Almond paste is kind of not dough, but. And I'm going to cut it in half because we're going to divide it and we're going to make some green and we're going to make some red. That's about. Okay. Some in here. We're going to put some in here. Okay. So Nonna, you going to help?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Watch out this one.
It's okay. Okay, what color you want to make? Green or you want to make red?
Leave red.
Red? Okay.
Uh-huh.
So now we're going to take some food coloring. Spatula. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
And we're going to add, let's start with 2 drops and we'll see what color we want. Okay. I'm going to start to go like that. So Nonna added all her color at once. I went the conservative route, but you know what? She was right. She's right about everything. So I needed another few drops of this.
Eh?
Yeah, I know. You always right.
All right.
Nonna is always right. Perché c'ha sempre ragione la nonna?
Boh,
Boh.
non lo so.
La nonna tua aveva sempre ragione?
Well, she's very good grandmother for me.
Oh, you're a good grandmother for me.
Oh, yeah.
You're the
I know.
best.
I know you're the best for me too. You beautiful girl.
Okay, I think I still need, it's not green enough, so I'm going to add another 2. Guys, this is totally at your discretion. If you just want to make them all white, that's fine too. But I think this
Okay, this is a good
brings some
color.
holiday cheer. And when you bake them, I don't know why, but when you bake them, they become less vibrant.
Okay, maybe this is good.
Beautiful.
Okay?
Beautiful color you do.
Yeah, I know.
This was fun, right?
Very good.
Okay, now we're going to make our shapes.
Okay, this you gotta make long, and this I gotta make round.
Okay, we're going to make 2 different shapes for you, too.
Yeah.
Going to get really crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm going to do one first, one of mine. Never mind my green hands, just, you got to go with it. I'm going to make a ball first. And then I'm going to make it kind of round, I'm going to roll it like that. So it looks like this.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to roll it in the sugar. And I'm going to take a half of a candied cherry. We put inside like this.
So,
Now you do. Tu falla tonda.
io la faccio rotonda.
Yeah. Okay, so our cookies are ready to be baked. We're gonna go wash our hands, and then after that, I'm gonna throw these into a 350-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes until the bottoms are slightly brown, just slightly. And then we're gonna have some cookies.
Yes.
Yeah? Let's go wash our hands.
Okay.
Okay, Nonna, the cookies, they finished.
Oh, thank God. They look beautiful.
You like?
Yeah, I like.
You wanna taste?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'm gonna taste the one you make, and you gotta taste the one I make.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So good.
Perfect, right?
Mm-hmm.
So guys, they're a little tiny bit brown on the bottom.
Yeah, they cook very well. Good.
About 13 minutes was the sweet spot.
Mm-hmm.
So yummy. And I think these are the perfect cookie to add a little jazz to your holiday cookie trays.
Mm-hmm.
You think so? You like the color?
Yeah, I like the color. The taste very good.
Tastes very good. That's the most important thing.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys make these this holiday season. And Nonna, thank you for being my Nonna every day.
Thank you for you, because you're beautiful girl. I love it.
I say Buon Natale a tutti.
Merry Christmas for everybody.
What about all the people over there? Merry Christmas to them too.
Sure. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Ciao guys, we'll see you later.